Alright, hello MHD community. Today's video is going to be regarding some of the issues users have been experiencing when using the MHD Wi-Fi adapter. This tutorial is going to apply to the MHD Wi-Fi adapter as well as the THOR Wi-Fi adapter. This tutorial is basically going to show you how to eliminate connection issues with the Wi-Fi adapter, and also how to use LTE connection for things like downloading the newest maps and the latest updates, while still having the Wi-Fi adapter connected. As you can see on my screen, I am connected to an MHD Wi-Fi adapter. For Android, you can also go ahead and follow along. It's basically the same premise. You're going to want to select the I or the Information tab or the Adjustments tab, wherever you can find that on Android or on iOS. As you can see, we're going to see a couple of different things. We are going to see forget this network, auto join, low data mode, blah blah blah. But we are going to see configure IP, IP address, and the subnet mask. We're going to want to hover over and press and hold on IP address and copy that. We're then going to want to remember our subnet mask in our head. So ours is 255.255.255.0. Basically, you should be able to remember that. We're going to click the section that says configure IP right here. We're going to click on it, and then we are going to manually configure the IPv4 address. We're then going to paste in that IP that we copied earlier. We are then going to type in 255.255.255.0, and then we are going to click save. You will immediately see in the top right that we have jumped over to an LTE connection and that it no longer shows Wi-Fi. That does not mean we are not connected. It simply means now that we are directly targeting that IP address and that IP address only. That IP address pertains to your car. Now you should be able to access things like XHP and MHD. You should be able to fully access things like downloading the newest maps, reading DME codes, resetting adaptations. You should still be able to do all that. However, you should also be able to do things like, for example, with XHP Flash Tool, downloading the latest OTS maps, shopping on the licenses store. So this is basically just a basic tutorial on how you can go about still having your LTE connection while also being connected to the Wi-Fi adapter. And this also does help with connection issues that users have been reporting. So if you are, undergoing connection issues where like you're unable to connect using XHP, or your data logging is crashing midway through and just freezing and stopping, this will most likely help you. I hope you guys are helped by this, and yeah, you guys have a fantastic day.